Welcome to Woodcut Tech, a channel about automatic woodcutting machines and homemade woodcutting machines. Watch the video until the end to discover useful woodcutting techniques and tutorials. Well, let's get started. The Kinetic Super Splitter wood cutting machine features a powerful hydraulic engine and sharp blade, making wood splitting quick and effortless. Its advanced drive technology ensures superior performance while minimizing labor effort. With a sturdy and durable design, it is suitable for both professional and home use. With the Kinetic Super Splitter, cutting wood has never been easier and more efficient. The Cord King CS2740 Model 60 2018 firewood processor is a powerful machine with a CAT 125 HP diesel engine, a 60-inch carbide tooth saw, and a splitting force of up to 42 tons. It has a production speed of 8 to 9 full cords per hour and a cycle time of just 3.5 seconds, optimizing efficiency. A robust hydraulic system, a heated operator cabin, and a 50-foot discharge conveyor enhance convenience. The VSP 60.60 wood processor is a powerful machine with a maximum cutting diameter of 600 millimeters and a splitting diameter of up to 700 millimeters. It has a maximum cutting length of 500 millimeters and a splitting force of 20 tons, ensuring high efficiency in wood processing. Equipped with an 18.5 kilowatt electric motor, the machine operates stably and powerfully. Additionally, it can be used with a tractor, requiring a minimum power of 60 HP, providing great flexibility. This is an ideal choice for professional wood processing workshops. The Mibor HTZ 1200 Plus horizontal bandsaw stands out with its fast return speed and servo-controlled blade positioning, optimizing work efficiency. Its automatic control system minimizes operator delays, enhancing productivity. Additionally, the machine features a high-speed hydraulic log handling system for efficient wood processing. With precise engineering and top-quality components, it is an ideal choice for the woodworking industry. The wood crusher is equipped with multiple sharp blades, allowing for fast and efficient cutting and grinding. Its durable blade system ensures the processing of even the hardest types of wood. Notably, it is supported by a powerful grabbing machine, making it easier to feed materials. This combination optimizes the wood crushing process and enhances work productivity. The Ecolog 590D, when combined with the Kesla 28RH harvester head, creates a powerful and efficient logging system. The Ecolog 590D, with its strong engine and flexible mobility, ensures smooth operation on various terrains. Meanwhile, the Kesla 28RH, with its precise cutting and processing mechanism, enables fast wood handling. This combination delivers high performance, optimizing the timber harvesting process. The log debarking machine is designed with a patented stripping system that removes the bark without damaging the log body. It can process logs with diameters ranging from 200 millimeters to 550 millimeters and lengths from 1,000 millimeters to 6,000 millimeters with a power capacity of 17 kilowatts and an efficiency of 15 millicores per hour. The machine operates flexibly with electricity or a tractor, making it suitable for use in forests and factories. Notably, it can debark a log with a 40 centimeters diameter and 1 meter length in approximately 100 seconds. The stump removal machine is equipped with a powerful engine and sharp rotating blades, allowing it to cut and grind stumps quickly and efficiently. With a sturdy design, the machine can operate on various terrains, making it suitable for both forest work and urban areas. Its high-speed rotating blade system ensures complete stump removal, saving time and effort. This is an ideal device for construction units, gardening, and landscape maintenance. The hydraulic log splitter is designed with a sturdy beam frame and a powerful 76-ton splitting force. Featuring a 4-way splitting wedge, it can efficiently split logs up to 40 inches in diameter and 8 feet long. The machine connects directly to a Bell's processor without requiring additional engines, optimizing performance. Additionally, it is equipped with a wireless remote control, ensuring convenience and safety during operation. The CAT 320 log grapple machine is equipped with a powerful hydraulic system, allowing it to grip and move long logs with ease. With flexible operation, It quickly and neatly arranges logs onto a specialized truck, ensuring safety and efficiency. Its sturdy grapple design securely holds the logs, making it ideal for lumber yards and logging sites. This is a highly efficient solution for loading and transporting logs with maximum productivity. The Barco 937B tractor, equipped with a specialized cutting head, efficiently removes trees and prepares land. Its powerful engine and advanced hydraulic system allow it to handle large diameter trees and dense vegetation. The cutting head can cut, grind, or shred trees, ensuring quick clearing. The Barco 937B is ideal for forestry, construction, and land expansion projects. The hydraulic woodcutter quickly and efficiently splits logs into sections. This device connects to a tractor and uses powerful hydraulic force for easy cutting. With a sturdy design, it can handle various wood sizes. The machine is ideal for forestry, wood processing, and land clearing. The old steam-powered sawmill has two large, sharp blades and remains powerful despite its age. Thanks to its durable design, it can precisely cut large logs. The finished wood has a smooth and beautiful surface, suitable for various uses. The wood splitter with a cone-shaped splitting head features a compact design, enabling quick and efficient log splitting. With its rotating mechanism and strong pressure, the cone easily penetrates logs, splitting them effortlessly. Its small size allows for easy transport and installation on various equipment. This makes it an ideal choice for woodworking shops, forestry, and domestic use. The bulldozer boldly advanced, looking down on the small tree before it. It thought one push would be enough, but the tree's deep roots held firm, making it struggle. After many attempts, the bulldozer gathered all its strength, persistently pushing bit by bit. Finally, the tree fell, but the bulldozer realized that nothing was as easy as it seemed. The HG6800TX wood grinder, with its sharp blades, can easily crush trees of various sizes. Under its immense power, even the toughest logs are quickly shredded into small wood chips. The grinding process is highly efficient, maximizing the use of wood resources. As a result, the material is conveniently prepared for further processing. During site renovation, people unexpectedly encountered a large tree stump blocking the way. To remove it, they used a heavy-duty stump grinder with powerful blades, gradually chipping away at the wood. Soon, the stump was ground down, clearing the site for further work. The wood processing saw. Processor mounted on a Kubota machine is a specialized device that enables fast and efficient wood handling. With sharp blades, it can cut and split wood accurately, minimizing labor effort. Its sturdy design and stable operation make it suitable for professional logging and wood processing tasks. The hydraulic wood splitter with multiple blades is a powerful device that quickly and efficiently splits logs into smaller pieces. With a high-pressure hydraulic system, it ensures precise and clean splits. The multi-blade design increases productivity, making it ideal for wood processing workshops. Durable and stable, this machine meets the demands of large-scale production. The Pezolato log splitter has a powerful splitting force of up to 50 tons, efficiently handling large logs. With a maximum log length of 2,100 millimeters, it is suitable for various applications. The 18.5 kilowatt electric motor ensures stable and durable performance. Thank you for watching Woodcut Tech. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video.